Amicura Cura2 App Intelligent Operation. Click on the Cura2 litter box from the device list on the home page. You can enter the home page to view the working status of the device, today's number of toilet uses, average toilet time, etc. For the first use, you need to set up the deodorant ion block. Clean now. Click to clean after the pet uses the toilet. Out well. Pour all the cat litter in the roller into the poop bin. Smooth. Smooth the cat litter in the roller. Enter the settings page. Auto clean. After turning it on, you can set the delayed cleaning time. Avoiding duplicate cleaning. After turning it on, it can automatically recognize whether there has been cleaning within the set time. If so, it can achieve the effect of avoiding duplicate cleaning. When avoiding duplicate cleaning is on, you can set the interval time parameter. Regular cleaning. Clean at a specific time point. The pet owner needs to manually add a cleaning plan before it is executed. Timed cleaning and automatic cleaning cannot be turned on at the same time. Embedded settings. After turning it on, the litter box can perform a burial action before cleaning. It is used when the cat doesn't like to bury excrement. Do not disturb. After turning it on, the device will not perform cleaning within the corresponding time. In this state, manual cleaning by the pet owner is supported. Mute. After turning it on, the device will turn off all prompts. Return to the main interface and click the gear icon in the upper right corner to enter the settings page. Cat litter type setting. Cura2 supports 3 types of cat litter: bentonite, tofu paste, mixed sand. Select your cat litter type. Sand bin cleaning reminder. After turning it on, you can set the sand bin reminder cycle and reminder time. Reminder for replacing the deodorizer block. Set the reminder cycle and reminder time. Child lock setting. Set it to off to turn off the button child lock. The buttons on the machine can be operated at any time without unlocking. But there is a risk of pets accidentally touching it. It is recommended to turn on the child lock. Temporary locking, unlocking. When the child lock switch function on the settings page is on, you can perform temporary locking and unlocking on the home page.